Thank you so much, Chembarathi. We have had such a nice time. This has been the picture perfect stay for us and on our honeymoon. The candlelight dinner was amazing. The staff, the people, the excursions that we've done. We are so grateful for this lovely, lovely experience.
Yes, we truly are, and the trekking was also nice. And the roads here are pleased to go on a walk, and you can also have one. For us, it was the perfect trip.